What we're doing today is we're going to practice crush a car. So don't expect it's going to look really nice and polished, because we're going to try some different ways of crushing a car that we've used before. And it's a practice because on Memorial Day weekend, all you good people will be back for Tankfest Northwest, which is right here on the 25th. And last year we crushed a car. It went pretty well, but we're about doing things better. So this year we're going to crush 2 cars. But before that, we got to practice. In all seriousness, we got to get it down. So this isn't a show. This is a practice session that you just happen to be able to come and look at. So Tankfest Northwest is a great thing. There'll be driving, firing tanks, there'll be reenactors, there'll be bouncy houses, there'll be food trucks, there'll be remote control tanks, there'll be live reptiles, there'll be something for everybody. Fun for the whole family, a big arena set up with bleachers, and so it's something not to be missed.